there! My name is Catherine Black, and you may have seen me in other camp videos, such as talking about fitness or service. Now, I'm here to talk to you today about s'mores. So everybody probably knows what a s'more is, but in case you don't, a s'more consists of graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallows. Now, usually they are cooked over a fire. But since you might not have access to a fire, and the Fire app is just not the same, we are going to show you how to make them from the comfort of your home. I'll show you after a message from our sponsors.
I want a s'more. We don't have any.
So one way you can cook indoors if you have a gas stove. So easily put it on a fork or a knife and turn it on to your desired heat. Now, when you're cooking it, you want to be careful to not set it on fire, because that could be hazardous. Okay, once it's to your desired cooking, turn the gas stove off. That's very important. Then, take your graham cracker and chocolate that you have previously set out and put your marshmallow on it. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Now, enjoy! Now, the second method is to put it in the microwave. So since you don't want to burn it, you can only put it in for about 10 seconds. But it may vary depending on your microwave. Now we just wait. Oh goodness, done. Look, now that's melted just right. So, then you place it on, pick it up. It may be a little sticky, but it's all worth it. Then, see, doesn't that look amazing? And now you just enjoy. Thank you for joining with me today on the first ever episode of Cooking with Katie.
Still wish I had more.